or something.
Ron, do you have a quarter in your pocket real fast?
I have what?
Or just some change in your pocket?
Right? You gotta have a quarter?
Yeah, something, just change.
No,
no, he meant
penny.
He meant, yeah.
You mean every time you drop a coin in there, it sounds off?
Yes, that's why I said you have it a change.
Here, baby.
Jaden.
That is so cool.
Here. Why, you want one, honey?
Thanks, Mom. Come here. Come here.
You want one?
I want you to come here.
Yeah.
Put your train down.
I need to get over here so I can see him do it.
Okay, ready? See this?
Yeah, I need one of them.
See this little slot right there? Put it in right
You should get a
there.
thrill out of it.
Okay, right there.
You got it plugged in?
It is. Okay. Oh, let's turn it on.
You have another
Oh, you gotta
quarter?
take the money back out.
Okay, ready? Try it again. Okay,
Ready?
try it again. Right there. Yeah, Jayden.
The train.
Do you like that, Jayden?
The train coming! I'm sitting on the train!
Well, Genevieve
more
liked
money?
it.
Got more money. Do it again.
That's pretty cool.
Can I try? Master Jason.
Wait.
Stop.
No, not yet.
Give it to her.
Boy, everybody just loves putting money in there. See? That's a good thing there.
No, in here. No, not yet.
Sasha, you're in the way.
You make it gives you entertainment.
Jayden.
I'm back to the train.
Watch out. Okay, wait.
Wait.
Okay, now do it.
Let her do
Can I
it.
help you?
Mommy,
Can I help you?
on the train track.
Yay, Genevieve. You didn't do it. Did you get
I'll
unplugged?
turn it off. Here. Try again.
Here, one more time, Genevieve.
My little angel king.
I can see it now. She's going to be sliding anything thin.
It only takes quarters.
Want me to help you?
Oh, yeah, she
There
got
you
it.
go.
All by herself, too.
Yay!
Oh, Genevieve did it.
Here, Jayden.
Birthday, Jaden.
Same on that. What's pretty cool.
Yeah, I guess I have to go buy Ron one now.
Why don't you put quarters in it? I don't want to tell you.
Oh, you have to put it in.
Stop. Did you turn it off?
You know those?
Mine's
What is
over
she
there.
into? What is Genevieve into?
Oh. Yeah, these are her chicken nuts.
What are they?
Give that to Sophia.
Oh, tax.
Oh,
You don't
Lord.
need to get it.
Those are lethal. Just loud.
No.
No.
Sharp.
She thought it was some money to put in the railroad
Well, it's
thing.
colorful.
Yeah.
Attractive.
Mama, where's my train?
It's right here, buddy.
Where's
Daddy's playing with it.
money?
No more. Say night, night.
We need more money, Jayden.
Night, night, light. Night, night, light.
It's sweating in here.
Night, night, light.
Jayden.
Say night, night, light. Genevieve, say night, night. Say night, night, light.
Is it on?
Boy, she called on fast.
Okay, no more money. All done. She's looking on the floor like she's at a Mardi Gras parade. She's scouring the floor. Where's the money? Oh, she found one. She found a penny.
She found a penny.
I found one.
It doesn't matter the denomination.
Who doesn't know?
Whenever you drop
As far as she's concerned, she's happy with the penny.